Hey guys, welcome to El Garaje de Chuy. In this short video, we're gonna replace the front shocks on this Toyota Corolla. I believe it's 1999. First step, we're gonna take the wheel off. Second step, we're gonna take this bolt. This is for the brake line. Third, we're gonna take these two bolts out. We're gonna need a 19mm socket, small extension, and a wrench. You might have to wiggle a little bit so it comes out. Okay, now we're gonna go up there, and here we're gonna take a 12mm. Okay, now with your left hand, we're gonna hold it so it doesn't drop all the way down. All right, now that it's loose, we're gonna take it out. Here it is. So we're gonna go and compare it to the new one. Here's the new one. So it's perfectly matched. So let's put it on. Okay, we're gonna take the bolt nuts out. We're gonna put it in. Okay. Now we're gonna go up there. All right, now with your right hand, we're gonna lift it and we're gonna manage the bearing on top to get the bolts into the holes. There you go. Now we switch hands. All right, now we're gonna put the bottom bolts on. Bolt nuts. Okay. Last but not least, brake line bolt. All right, and it's all done. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe,